Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I have a jewelry jar. So I bought this for $18 on an online auction. I really love a good mystery, so let's see what we have in this jewelry jar. It's really full and it's really heavy. So for $18, you cannot go wrong. Plus it's in a really cute jar. Super adorable. I really just like the jar. Come on along and we'll see what's in this jar. Let's see what's in here. Genuine teakwood Thailand. Actually, so this is probably worth something. This jar is. Teakwood sells really good on eBay. Not that I'm going to sell it because that's why I bought it, because I liked it. So, but it's a cute little jar. I thought I'd put like little candies in it on the coffee table. I've got this little tray, or maybe just keep it in here with some little candies. Super cute. I like it. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is pretty. And I didn't bring my tester, did I? Now, I have a Presidium tester, but I did not bring it out. Actually, I'm not sure if I know where it is since my daughter moved in and out. So, but look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. This looks like a tiger eye or something close to it. It's definitely a stone. Very nice. That's pretty. Oh, and this looks like maybe probably a quartz. And this is a bracelet. That's pretty. And here is a silver tone necklace. This is really pretty, actually. Let's see if it says anything. This is actually really nice. Nope, this doesn't say anything, but look how pretty that is. It's definitely like a really thick. It looks like a boxwood cut because it looks like a box. It's square. This is a really nice necklace. So I'll sell that one. But here's a similar one. This is more of an omega. It's huge. Oh my goodness, it's like a snake. Look at that thing. It's huge. I don't see any markings on this one. This is just fun for me. But look at how pretty that is. It's actually really nice. It's in really good condition. This is just fun. I did this to amuse myself. Okay, I've had a couple of these. Sometimes I've had some from Pandora Jewelry. I don't know if I can tell what is what. I don't see any markings. Sometimes you can look up these charms and see if it is a certain jeweler. So if you have these and you're going to sell them, I would definitely look up some of these charms because these can be worth quite a bit sometimes. But this is cute. Look at that. That's sweet. Cuteness. It says love all over it. I think it said something else on here too. Maybe, yeah. Someone special. That's cute. Oh, and I just dropped it into the trash can? Oh boy. Today is my son's 25th birthday. How awesome is that? He's also on YouTube and he goes by Big Granny. Can't believe my little boy is 25. Like, what in the world? Here's an M. Ooh, this is cute. So that's an M. I'll sell that on eBay. Actually, I really like this. It almost looks like a paparazzi chain, but I don't know if they're actually that nice. But the end kind of looks like a paparazzi, but I don't remember them finishing them off with a little ball, so maybe not. But that's really pretty. So I think what I'll do also is, so this is like a bracelet, obviously. I'm sure you know that. That's cute. I think what I'll do is lot some of these up. Like if I go through a jewelry jar and say there's a couple in a certain color, I might start doing that just to move them quicker. I do sell jewelry here and there, but I thought, you know, I might just lot this stuff up because I get pretty good deals on them. So, wow, that's pretty. That's cute. Okay, what's this? Ooh, earrings. And these are little Christmas tree earrings. Christmas jewelry actually sells really well for me, so I will lot that up. These are in little bags. Let's take these out. I should buy some of those bags myself. I always have a list like a mile long of stuff I should do, I swear though. Ooh, that is awesome. Oh my goodness, I really like this one. This has got like a little star. Look at how pretty that is. That is really pretty. It's just different. It's definitely different. This wouldn't be something like I would normally like pick out, but I might have to keep this one for a while. I just like how different it is. It's just, you know, something out of the ordinary. Here's a big chunky necklace. This is on a silk feel thread rope chain. Chunky necklace, little medallions. That's cute. Definitely an accent piece. Oh, my voice is a little hoarse. Sorry, everybody. I need to drink more water. I'm always like going from thing to thing and I just keep forgetting to drink water. Okay, so that's really cute. Look at that one. Okay, so here is, it looks like a necklace with, what is that? I'm so confused. What is this? Oh, okay. This is a bat. I think it's a bat, right? Hanging upside down. Okay, so Halloween is coming. If you were to sell something like this, I would definitely put like Halloween, vampy, gothic, those kind of names. Ooh, here's a wood necklace. These are cool. That is pretty. Wood things sell really well on eBay, so that kind of looks like that teak wood over there. That's very nice. Okay, let's see. This is a necklace. It's kind of an arrow necklace. Is that what you would call it? Like an arrow, maybe? Let's see what this says. Oh, it says American Eagle. American Eagle jewelry sells pretty good for me. They always have like kind of different things. Interesting, so that should sell well. Ooh, I like this. This might have to stay with me for a little bit. I like this. This is probably my finder's keeper fee. That is so cute. Look at that. That's really darling. It's just acrylic beads, you know, nothing real fancy, but it's definitely like that great statement necklace. Going into fall, this is going to be amazing. I just have to say, the fall colors, the orange, the brown, and the great pop of turquoise. Okay, so here we have some fashion earrings. These are cute. I would wear these right here. Those are cute. I'll just sell it on a card as it is because it's already on a card. So that's going up. Here is a beautiful black and white necklace. Chunky, I would say this is definitely like a chunky style. I don't see a name brand. This is cool. You know, I would probably find something like this, you know, on like a Chico store or, you know, like a Dress Barn, if they still have those, I'm not sure. You know, a store like that where you have some dressier kind of clothing. It's really nice. That's cute. This would look really pretty with like a suit and just a little pop of something right there at the neckline. Oh, this one kind of was hanging in there. This is cute. So that might be a stone. I don't know. Just a little dainty necklace. Here is a bracelet. This is wood little beads. Cute. And here are some vintage earrings. It looks like. I think these are vintage. Yes, they definitely look vintage. Let's see what they say. So they say something on them, something like Verilia. It seems like I had a name brand like that the other day. I'm going to put them back in this pouch, and she did a really good job in protecting them. These are definitely a vintage item. I think these will sell really well, because it seems like I remember that name. And I bet they probably go for around $50, $60 for those. So that's a good find. Oh yes, these are cute. These I would say are probably like definitely, let's see. I mean, I would think these are 80s earrings. Don't you think so? They're big, they're bulky, they're obnoxious. But maybe not. You never know. Here is, it feels like a crystal cross bracelet. This is cute. I bet somebody might have made this. Like jewelry maybe somebody had made. I'm gonna guess, you know, probably 90s, early 2000s. That was kind of the style. If I were to put a date on this, that's what I would guess. It's got this really cool like texture on the inside, but the outside's nice and smooth. That's really neat. So I'm assuming that is glass, and maybe these are glass beads too. Very cute. And here's a brooch pin. Brooch pins sell really well on eBay. That is actually really pretty though. That would look really nice if you had like a suit or a jacket with little gold tone accents. This would be beautiful with it. Ooh, that's cute. Here's like I would say this is acrylic beaded bracelet, but this is just cute, like a good accent. I love little accent beaded bracelets like that. It's cute. This one's a little big on me, but it's adorable. It's got some nice, like the fall rich colors to it. Now here is another pair of clip earrings. I have the cabochon round beaded accents on the front. Now I don't see any name brands on these. So these are going to go back in the bag, and I'll sell these. Cabochon clip earrings like this sell really well. I've sold some for over $800 that were a name brand. So definitely watch out for your name brands for earrings that look like that. Okay, here is a little ring. This is just like an accent party ring. I assume this is paparazzi. It's got that little stretchy band to it. And I might put that paparazzi stuff in a craft lot. Or just lot it together. Ooh, this is actually really heavy. Here is like a rope, almost like probably a faux leather. Okay, so this says something. It's trademarked. I don't know. Okay, so this says KB. So I'm not quite sure what KB is. These are almost like a hematite metal. They're real heavy though. Like really, really heavy. So that's interesting. I'll look that up. Multi-strand with an acrylic bead on the bottom. It's real shiny. That would be pretty for a party if you had like a lot of night lights. That's pretty. And here is a black pair of earrings, cabochon. Those are cute. Acrylic beaded. So I might just take, you know, stuff like this. And I'm thinking of just lotting up stuff. So like maybe take this and that and maybe one of these big silver things. You know, just to start lotting them up and get rid of them quicker. You know, if I were to do something, maybe, you know, put a couple things together. Oh, here's a black one that would even go with that lot too. It's got a little bit of weathering on it, or like a, or tarnish, you know how it gets. So that's a gorgeous black beaded necklace. Wow, that's really kind of cool. So I think, you know, I might put that in the other, with those other pieces too, but this is a neat necklace. Definitely cool. It's big and hefty. Yeah, so this lot was $18. Here is a brown beaded, that's cool. That feels like stone. Like a stone necklace, a rope chain with little acrylic beads. This one actually feels like it's a hefty, like, that definitely feels like stone. That's interesting. I almost like the pendant more than the necklace. You'll often find that too in necklaces. If you ever find a necklace like this and you say you don't like this part, you could always take the pendant off and just use it like that on a different necklace. Okay, this is cute. Now I sell vintage pin brooches for Christmas time very well. I still have that eyeliner on my hand. I bet you can see that in the camera. That's funny. Okay, so this one does not have a marking either. It's really cute. Look at that cute little... So this is a little angel. A lot of people collect Christmas brooches, so that's really neat. I have a couple people that come back and buy brooches from me around Christmas time, and I guess, you know, some people will make like little outfits with them. I don't know. Something like that. And then, let's see what we have. Oh, we have a cute little angel. That's cute too. I sold a bunch of these at Christmas. So it seems like, you know, they sold for probably, I don't know, $10 a piece or so. This is an adorable heart. It looks like an abalone shell, but that's adorable. That's just super cute. It's got some blues, some pinks, and some greens. And, you know, these colors right now are completely in style too. Those rich colors, you know, the ocean colors, or the deeper blush going into fall. This would actually be really cute. Sorry if you can hear coughing in the background. That's just how it is around here. Nothing ever is like perfect. I just have to say, nothing's ever perfect. Okay, so that's what I have, everybody. I'm going to get these listed soon. And I'm going to enjoy my jar. Bye, everybody. Have a really